Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, February the 25th, 2022. Almost weekend. We have two puzzles left. One puzzle I've also already solved, the 3-star Sudoku. We have the two tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle left. The total of 6 extra puzzles, but half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me, time consuming. So, 2 puzzles now are left, the binary puzzle and the tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number 4179. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, and there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And here, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Alright. Between 2 ones comes an O. 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 Double O. Here one, there one. A double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Now think. How about? Yeah. Uh-huh. Come on. Let me see. We have 101. This row and that row. If I compare, we have here 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Alright, between 2 O's comes an 1. Yeah. Then. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Then. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Well, the question is, do I need to compare the rows or the columns? Let me see. This column will be difficult. This column will also be difficult. Double one. So let me compare the rows. Double O here. We have a double O? No. O10. O10. This one is O10. This one is also O10. 101. O10, 101. This a row and that row. Let me compare. Oh, 1 1. Oh, 1 1. Oh, 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O here, this should be 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1. Here, no, there, no. Finish in 5 minutes. All right. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third and last puzzle. I will do a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.